So the Black Friday deals are already here, and this is my latest purchase. This is the new 10.2-inch iPad 7th generation. This one is going to be actually replacing my iPad mini 2, so quite the change for me. Now I'll put links in the description, but as I'm recording this video, this deal is over, but there are more places such as Walmart that is going to be doing this deal. So I got this for $249 off of Amazon yesterday, November 25th. Today is the 26th, and this video should go live the 27th. So if you're watching this on or around Black Friday 2019, then you need to look out for this deal because it's a pretty good deal. $249 for a 32 gig iPad. Now I would have got this sooner, but I knew that this thing was probably going to be on sale, so heck, save a little bit of money, why not? But anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Let's go ahead and lift her on up, and there's the iPad. So this is a 10.2-inch screen, like I said, 7th generation. Very nice feeling so far, but let's go ahead and just quickly look at the rest of the box. So here is your very limited amount of information. Looks like that's all we got. And Apple stickers, safety, and a little quick start guide for you right there. And then of course we have the power adapter here. That's a little tough to get out. Of course you get the 12-watt one with the iPads, and then a lightning cable to go along with it. Okay, so here is the iPad. Let's get her unwrapped. Alright, so here it is. So first impressions, this thing's actually pretty lightweight. It weighs just a little bit over a pound compared to the iPad Air, which weighs just a little bit under a pound. So still pretty lightweight. It's actually lighter than my iPad mini 2, which is kind of crazy. Let's go ahead and let this thing be powering on here. Okay, so this is a space gray model, 32 gigabyte. You can see we still have the home button, lock button, cameras. I mean, this design has, been the same for a really long time, but it's still a good design. As you can see, there's not a thing over here except the addition of the smart connector. And then on this side over here is where you'll find your volume rockers. Haven't even looked at the back of this thing yet, so there's the back of it. Now this space gray is much darker than the 6th gen, and it looks a lot better. It matches all my other space gray products now. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing all set up real quick. So we want English, we want United States, right there. All right, so we can do a quick start. So let's go ahead and grab my phone real quick. So of course, if you have iOS 11, you can just bring iOS 11 or later, you can just bring a device close to it. Really simple setup process nowadays. Alright, now it wants us to set up our Touch ID. So I actually want it this way. Can I do that? Yep. Okay. Take this thumb instead. So we've set up Touch ID 100 times, haven't we? And now we're going to restore it from iCloud. And here we are on the new iPad. So it's loading in all my applications and everything. But yeah, guys, that is the new iPad. So let me know what you think about it. I think I'm really gonna love it. I like the way it's feeling in the hand so far. It looks great. And yeah, I'll have to make a ton of videos with this device for you guys. Let me know what you want to see. I already have a lot of ideas in mind But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you all in the next video.